Special messages for Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign for the month of September 2022. I'm seeing some of you continuing a battle, and something is taking place in your life during this time in which you require a lot of physical strength during this time, Virgos. I'm seeing a delay or suspension during this time. During this time, I am also seeing you being very fruitful and hold the power over every single thing you are doing during this time. During the first half of September, the first 2 weeks of September, I'm seeing a lot of good energy, but I'm seeing you feeling a little sick and you are continuing a battle physically. I am hearing that you need to go around nature. You need to spend some more time around nature. I'm seeing you being the wrong King of Swords, a Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius person. And I'm seeing you and this person spending some time around nature. I'm seeing the ocean, I'm seeing a lot of coconut trees, I'm hearing birds, I'm hearing the waves right now. I'm seeing that you are going through some legal matters during this time. Your finances looks very good during the last week in September. I'm seeing a lot of money. I'm seeing barter and trade. I'm also seeing a little altercation and quarreling taking place during this month. Give me a D spirit. Give me a D spirit. Be careful on the 25th of September, Virgos. With regards to this altercation and quarrel with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo person, or because of this fire sign person, be careful of an altercation, Virgos. I'm hearing that you need to be out in nature. Nature is calling you. Be around the ocean. Listen to the ocean waves. These were messages Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign for the month of September 2022. Feel free to contact me via WhatsApp for private readings, special readings, and questions, as well as spiritual clearing and healing. Thank you and stay blessed, Virgos.